Hey guys, this is my update on the Comica VM30 shotgun microphone. Um, it is a great microphone. I love it, but the downfall for me is yes, it works great, for movies, for interviews, for all different type of stuff. It works great. But it doesn't work great when you're doing it in, say, concert. So, church and concert, places that have speakers and keyboards and drums, all that loud, coming through the amps and the speakers. And, you know, the Comica VM30 is not made for that, as I can see in the last test that I did. The ultimate sound test for the Comica VM30. I went to the church. I jumped on the drums, the piano, the microphone, everything coming through the speakers, and it just could not handle it. So, this is my final review. Not good for concerts or church or anything that has loud speakers. Not good for that. But it's great for movies, TV shows, vlogging. It's good for all the other stuff except for concerts and church and stuff that have speakers that amplifies, whatever. All right, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. All right, and until next time.